How to fix the Steam PayPal bug. So if you want to fix the Steam PayPal bug, then just watch this video. If you're having trouble using PayPal on your Steam, then don't worry, you're not alone. So to fix this problem, all you want to do is open up your Steam app. This is your first step into resolving any payment issues. So just ensure you're on a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during this process. Once your Steam app is open, you need to look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and then it will direct you to the login page, and you need to enter your account name and password and just log into your account. Make sure to log in the one that's linked with PayPal. After you've input your credentials, click on sign in button, and once you're successfully logged in, you'll land on your Steam homepage. Look for the profile name, usually found at the top menu or the top right corner. Clicking on it will give you a drop-down menu, and you will see the account details option. You need to head over to the account details section, as that's where you'll make the necessary adjustments for your payment method. On the account details page, find and click on add payment method. In my case, it's right here. Click on add a payment method to this account. This is important for ensuring your PayPal is correctly linked to Steam. Next, you need to choose PayPal from the list of payment options. If you don't see PayPal listed under your payment methods, you need to double check your steps or consider logging out and back in, as there might be a temporary glitch. Before continuing, make sure you have enough funds in your PayPal account to cover your intended purchase. This might seem like a common sense, but it's often overlooked. And make sure that your PayPal account is properly validated. A properly linked and validated PayPal account will save you from payment rejections. If you're using a bank card linked to your PayPal, ensure it's valid and that your bank hasn't declined any transactions. If there's an issue with your card, you might run into problems even if your PayPal account looks fine. In some cases, you might need to manually transfer funds from your bank account to your PayPal balance. This extra step can help bypass any authorization issues and streamline your experience for a smoother transaction process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any Steam PayPal bugs and get back to enjoying your games without further hassle. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.